Hi everyone, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I am excited to share with you the May My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition Kit. First, I'll show you the papers and then I'll show you all the other items that we get in this month's kit. There were a lot of papers from the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Indigo Garden collection, and this collection is really stunning. Simple Stories just seems to be doing an amazing job with making these beautiful floral papers lately, and I absolutely love this collection. This first piece of paper has these beautiful florals and this bird, butterflies, such a pretty piece of paper with a yellow background. And then on the other side is an equally beautiful piece of paper, which also has pink flowers, birds, and butterflies. I think this page is absolutely stunning. I feel that almost all the work is done for you. It's so beautiful as it is. And then on the other side, I also like this side. I love dark backgrounds. I like working with those too. So both sides of all of these papers are just so gorgeous. Here's another beautiful piece of pattern paper. This one has some really large flowers and butterflies on the front. And then on the back, there's more of the yellow, and there are some butterflies as well. Here is a set of cut-aparts. These are the 4x6-inch cut-apart sheets that Simple Stories is famous for. And on the other side is this really nice black and white check or gingham. I'm not really sure what the difference is, but I really like this in black. Here's another beautiful page. This has a lot of newsprint on it. And then on the other side is this green dot. Here's another beautiful floral page. Some flowers and butterflies and that really pretty blue. And then here's the same paper as the black paper, but this one is yellow. It's just as important to me to have some papers like this and this paper as well with the dot that are more neutral. Although the pattern papers with the flowers and the butterflies, those are the most eye-catching. I find that these are really important when actually creating pages. Here's another cut-apart sheet. This is a sheet with lots of different size cut-aparts that could be used for journaling and layering. And on the back of that one is a whole sheet of butterflies that can be used. The whole sheet could be used, or of course, you could fussy cut them out. Here's another beautiful sheet of paper, this pink pattern paper, the very tiny flower. And then on the other side are the 3x4-inch cut-aparts. A lot of times I'll use these for some of the smaller images that are on them. And here's another gorgeous page, this one with a dark background, and then the yellow and white butterflies and the flowers. So pretty. And on the back of that is yet another sheet that has lots and lots of butterflies on it. I am very intrigued by this piece of paper. I love the black and white stripe. And then, of course, on this side are these beautiful decorative flowers and butterflies. And yet another beautiful floral with butterflies on the other side. Here is that same paper in pink. And then on the other side are these beautiful florals. That's another page that I would love to fussy cut out. In addition to the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Indigo Garden collection, there are also 2 sheets of paper from Fern Studios. And I don't know if you're familiar with Fern Studios. They make just some of the most gorgeous papers. And these are beautiful papers. They also go so well with the papers in the Simple Stories collection. So here we have this gorgeous yellow paper with the pink flowers. And then on the other side, you could see that it's orange and pink, but there are lots of traces of borders and looks like maybe some tickets and some writing. Just a gorgeous piece of paper. And this one is equally gorgeous. I love the bird on the bottom and then all the florals that surround the bird, and then this pink background is so pretty. I love when there is variation in the solids. I love when you look carefully and you could see that there were lots of other touches, not just a solid background. So I think that this is perfect to use as a background on a page. And then on the other side is this beautiful orange paper, and again you can see that there's a lot of variation. The color is darker toward the edges and lighter toward the middle. Just such beautiful papers. So those are all of the gorgeous papers we get in this month's kit, and now I'll show you some of the other items. This month we got this beautiful Vicky Bouton stencil. I took it out of the package to avoid the glare, but I think you could see it better anyway against this dark background. I believe this is from the Color Study collection, which is my all-time favorite Vicky Bouton collection. And I think that the florals that are in this stencil will go really well with the florals that are in the kit this month. I'm really looking forward to using that. I had my eye on that stencil, so I was glad to see that in the kit. We also got a set of stamps. These are Hampton Art stamps, and I think that the images also go really well with the collection. There's a Eiffel Tower with a postmark, hot air balloon, a clock. I feel like clocks are a really good image that can go with pretty much any layout, a flower, this old-fashioned bicycle, and then a lot of little sentiments that you could, again, put on pretty much any page. We also get this Simple Stories foam stickers set to go with the Vintage Garden collection. And again, I'm sorry for the glare. That isn't even the lights in my room. That's the sunlight coming in through the window. So sorry about that. But I feel that this is a more recent type of embellishment that Simple Stories has been including with their collections. It might be a few years old, but I absolutely love these stickers. They're substantial. There is a thickness to them that I really like, and I have been using, whenever I get a collection that has these stickers, I feel that I use these first. They have a lot of great titles: Lovely, Hello, Best Ever, Fabulous. On the other side, we have Bloom, Favorite, Today. Enough titles for layouts with all the papers that are included in the kit. And then lots of beautiful butterfly images, these little hearts. Those come in so handy for embellishing pages. And then, yeah, lots of other little sentiments that you could use around your pages. So this is a set that I am really excited to use. This month's kit also included this whole set of ephemera, or die cuts, or as Simple Stories calls it, bits and pieces. I'm going to show you the packaging that has an image of all of the different pieces you get in this set, but I'm also going to show you not every single piece. I'm going to show you some of the items that you get, and you can get an idea of the size and the scale and just some of the things that you get with this ephemera pack. So you could see that there are some tags. There's a label. There are lots of tickets and some sentiments, some small sentiments, some round sentiments. Here are some more tickets. Here's some more sentiments. Here's another label and some more tags. We have some more tickets and titles. I love getting titles. I don't like to have to think of titles myself. I have made so many scrapbook layouts, like so many of us, and it gets a little hard to think of titles for some pages. Here are some butterflies with sentiments on them, some florals to go with the beautiful pattern papers, and then there's some more titles and some really tiny sentiments. And there are also quite a few hearts. There are quite a few hearts on the foam sticker pack. So if you would like to use hearts, there's a whole variety of sizes and colors and patterns. There are also quite a few of these banners that have some sentiments on them as well. So you could see that you get a lot of stuff, and I'm really looking forward to using all the papers and embellishments, but there's one more thing that I have to show you. Finally, my favorite part of every kit is the flowers. I love the 3 packs of flowers that we get in every kit. I always am excited to see what we got each month. We have these beautiful pink flowers, we have these beautiful yellow ones, and then these white ones. They're neutral. I love the way though they have the gold on the center, and then there's some smaller flowers here. And I think that these coordinate perfectly with the Simple Stories collection that we got. I hope that this was helpful, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed seeing everything that's in the kit, whether it's in the kit that you're about to receive, or if you are considering ordering a My Creative Scrapbook kit, you can take a look in the description box. You'll find the link to the My Creative Scrapbook website where you can view all the kits for this month. This is one of 4 different kits, and if you would like to, you could purchase a kit and subscribe to My Creative Scrapbook. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to put the layouts that I made at the end of the video so you could see what I created with this kit. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.